Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm really excited. I've got an unboxing from Beebeecraft. They contacted me and asked me if I wanted to showcase some of their products on my channel. Isn't that cool? So they have a YouTube program where you can sample their products, and if you have more than 100 subscribers on your own channel, you might be eligible to do the same thing. So I'll have all the links below. You can have a look there if you're interested in doing that. I'll have all the product links that I've got in here too, and the links to Beebeecraft. They'll all be down below in the description box. And the fun bit is when you make a purchase, you can put a discount code in and get 10% off using my code that says Valita10. Isn't that cool? So so yeah, when you make a purchase at the end, at the checkout, there'll be a little box there that says add a coupon code, and yeah, you just add Valita10. I really love Beebeecraft. I've had a few orders from them in the past before they contacted me, and they got so many really nice products. All right, so let's get into this. I was excited to get that. It's come double packed in nice packing, which is good, because you don't want things turning up broken. All right, what I got in mine was these three products. This one is let me get my scissors. These ones are button maker, and I thought, oh, this would be really cool to use with my fabric, because I've got lost so much fabric from Tanya that, and it comes in a really cool box. That's good, because I don't have to find storage. But look what you get in here. Okay, you get all these different sizes of the button, the button shells, and then you get the little thing to put the button on, to make the button. I'll just open the bigger one because that's be able to see it better. You get quite a few. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's cool. And then you get this little thing that you push it down into. So I'll have to I'll have a go at that. I'll have a separate video to I'll do 3 videos over the next few weeks, and with each of the products, and yeah, show you how they come out. I'm so keen to do these. Been wanting to have a look at these button things for quite a while. So that's cool. There's that size, which is, I'll show you the measurements. That size, which is 3.5 centimeters or 1.5 inches. That's a great size, isn't it? Then the next size down is 1.25 inch by, or 3.5 centimeters. Next one down is 2 centimeters or 3/4 of an inch, and the little ones are 1.5 centimeters by just over 1/2 inch. So that's cool, hey? Can't wait to have a go at them. So it looks like I might get 10 in each pack. So there's four different sizes there, which is awesome, and a storage container and everything. So that's cool. All right, my next product was this absolutely stunning roll of violet velvet ribbon. It is beautiful. Come on, done for me. I love the colour. The colour is perfect for junk journaling. Look at that. It's absolutely beautiful, and you get a whole roll of it. I'm not sure how. I'd have to look up how much was on there. Where did my sheet go? Oh, that's in front of me. Might say on the thing here how much it was. Just says a whole roll. 106 grams. Yeah. So okay. But I've got some projects in mind for this too. So this is just an absolute gorgeous colour. It's like an olive green. I just love it. So there was that. And then there was, where did my scissors go? Yeah. And then there was this little box. Let's see what's in here. It comes in another little storage box, which is good. End beads. And then it's wrapped in bubble wrap inside as well, which is so nice because you don't want things getting broken. So they take care in their packaging. I've noticed in the past when I've had things from Beebeecraft too, they take care in their packaging. Now look at these. Oh, I'm so excited to get these. These are little wings. See? And they've got a hole at the end. You get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 of the larger wings. And then you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10 of the smaller wings. Aren't they gorgeous? So I'm really keen. Hang on, let me get a piece of, can't really see them on my hand real good. I put them on a bit of white paper and you can see all the colours. But they're really flat. They're flat. Oh no, they're actually, yeah, the larger wings are flat on one side and slightly domed on the other side. Aren't they beautiful? I'll just try and put them all on the piece of paper. Here they are there. They are just gorgeous. They're nice and fine, nice, and see how flat they are. So I've got a project in mind for them as well. And yeah, they're the 3 products that I got from Beebeecraft. So look guys, check it out. I've also got a code at the bottom. Where's my code info? A coupon code, Valida10, and you get 10% off your whole order, and that's valid until the 7th of the 10th, 2025. So you got quite a while to you know, use that coupon code. And yeah, I'm keen to get into this and just showcase some of these beautiful products that they sell. Some of the other ones I got from Beebeecraft were the other little flowers, you know, the plastic flowers I showed quite a while ago, and they're gorgeous too. So this has got my mind running. So yeah, really keen to get in and make. So hopefully by the end of the week I'll have at least one video up to show you, and not sure which one it'll be yet, but we'll get there. All right, that's my unboxing from Beebeecraft, and yeah, definitely go over and check them out. They are Their postage is quite quick. I haven't had any problems with Beebeecraft. I've put in at least 2 orders before they contacted me to do this, and yeah, I haven't had any problems with them at all. So really good product. Lots of stuff to look at on there. You can binge look at that for hours. And yeah, so these are the ones I just chose, and you might have already seen how to put stuff like that together, but I've got a few different ideas on how to use that or what to put on them as well. So stick around for the stay tuned for some upcoming videos on these products. Alright, if you're new here, I'd love it if you'd subscribe to my channel, press that bell button for notifications, like, share and all that sort of stuff. Go on and check out Beebeecraft. I know you'll love the products there because I do, and I'm always got more and more and more in my little favourite list. And I'll catch you real soon for a make video. Bye.